Ligity. But there, man, you see me? Impromptu. But the times I'm going to try going to like more footage. Car show. More car is supposed to there, but rain did fall earlier. So that kind of damn the thing still, you see me? So some of my car them just a come in. I'm brother-in-law. FAWUD, you see me? See Boston is us. You see, and I don't know if you know the artist right there, so Dookie Bunks. Yeah, man, I emboss the Dookie Bunks. Nice, I can start, so I don't know, so I probably can't do no well if attacking. Is it? I'm there for a couple of hours still and try to get as much footage as I can get. I have to touch back the turf, because I'm going to watch the NBA. Copyright music, caca-clat. Try to get some food, you see me, because they through the late start on them thing, food not ready yet down there, so I come try and get something to eat. I'm gonna there until about maybe like 6 o'clock. A basketball are going, and then I'm gonna throw some money in a Forex. Some financial news I gonna come out and more see if it go. If it go in my favor, then I might be able to make some profitable investments. After we get food, we'll go back down. So hopefully by that time more cars there and the youth will run off the thing himself maybe like half hour before everything get jumping. So by the time I reach back down there, so probably half hour. But you think some more cars there by the time we reach back down, still maybe like 2 more cars, 3 more cars come. Not a lot has changed. About 2 more cars. Excuse me. I was drinking something. I was drinking some drink. So it look like things are gonna start off, like more car rolling and them thing there. You see me? Thank God said them actually are rolling. Or them supposed to are rolling. I'm not gonna get enough footage, but the car them reach in time for me get the footage, you see me, so I soon cut damn yard. Man hungry dog and them things, you see me. Hey, son, I link you. That's cool, man. So I G them up there, so I do them things, you see me. So I have my plan for there now, but don't feel it. I sweaty heart and everything. So my car them look good still. When I was younger, I never took in a them cars sitting here. I never really care about car show, you know, because I don't have a car. But now that I'm there and see how it look. Now I set a car, you see me, and come park up and look good and look rich and people are check out the whip. Eh? But all in all, it's decent man, you see me. I never know say with a pickup like this. This one how it look earlier and as you can see when we reach, it look away down. But we're there now. Hopefully you not hear me and the music them not drown out my voice. Yeah. And we can go and get some more footage on them things. I'm not try to make the video too long, isn't it? Because mostly it's gonna be about car and them something there. I mean they really planning, you know. I told my brother Allah link me and say, oh, where you do? I say, alright. We touch wood. So we're there same way until we cut.
Alright, sir. Reporting live.
Alright, my boat to get ready for God me out, you know, you see me? As you see, it's night. What am I supposed to do again? Oh shit. Yeah, man, I got me out. I'm tired. I'm hot. I get hungry again. And yeah. I think I see most of. Alright, I see one more thing I make a capture before I cut still. Blessings, G. So yeah, thing you know. I've seen most of what I came here to see. Can't look much still, not like. So to the people doing what they do, man. Like care people them and all them something. Next time me prepare for them thing and when me even said the battery got dead. We did bring a second battery, but you know because of second hand, them not really not second hand, they are off brands. So they don't really hold that much energy in their latter days. So I catch a couple more vehicles with the lighting and then yeah, you see me? Yeah. got me out there now, yeah, man.